You're using the Power Platform all wrong, and let me tell you why. I'm Dag, and I'm a technologist who specializes in manufacturing and talks to CIOs about issues of today's world. So, you looked at Power Platform, you looked at Power Apps, Power BI, Power Automate, even AI Builder, and you didn't really know how to use it. But first of all, it's great. You used it in a couple use cases, it seemed awesome. You could have used it for more, but you didn't really know how to roll it out. Maybe you have one or two people in your business who kind of know how to use it, and you only have a handful of licenses. I've seen it happen quite frequently too, that sometimes when we buy these low code tools, maybe you think that you're going to be able to get some value out of it by having business users use these things. And while that would be great and awesome if you started getting some power users to use power apps and build out apps, in reality, it's more of an IT tool, and it's something that needs IT governance and a little bit of programmatic oversight, right? And so be more methodical as you are in IT about the adoption and use of that technology. And I bet today it's probably underutilized. So let me tell you a little bit more. In the past, we typically created software for the entire organization because we were on shoestring budgets, right? So we could do things like ERPs, we could do things like customer portals. We started to get into department level software. So maybe there's something for marketing, maybe there's something for HR, maybe there's something for sales, but never or rarely did we ever think about, oh, we have this business in this one country that needs a very specific piece of software that we could provide for them. Or maybe there was a new market that we wanted to enter that needed special requirements. And it got to the point as an IT leader where you just were supporting too many things. And so you didn't want to take on anymore. Well, what if there was a low code platform in Power Platform that enabled you to keep governance, to have data security, and still be able to build out apps, but at a much quicker pace? So whereas building a custom portal may have taken you 6 months to a year with an outside vendor, and it would have been painful, and no one really knew what they were going to get when they were ideating on it, maybe we use the Power Platform and we build out a portal that enables us to scale, but also is still flexible so that we can help maintain it ourselves. It can start with a few features and we can keep building on top of those over time. And it's within IT's governance. So this isn't something where a business user has gone out and purchased some software and now we end up having to support it. So consider how Power Platform can be that solution that can provide more software at group level, maybe even individual productivity level, thinking about Power Automate, and not just be IT organizations that support departments